In our modern, hectic world, meditation has positioned itself as a way to manage stress. Meditation establishes a secure connection between our internal and external worlds. The benefits of meditation are numerous and are supported by science. Most people start meditating to manage stress, to fight chronic illness, depression, reduce anxiety, and also to cultivate peace of mind. Let us look at some of the benefits of meditation. Meditation promotes emotional well-being. Studies have shown that meditation improves self-image and self-worth. There are some forms of meditation that promote positive thinking and help fight depression, and improves the emotional health of an individual. It helps control the mind and ward off pangs of depression and anxiety. Reduces chances of age-related memory loss. Besides reducing stress, such meditation exercises also support age-related memory loss and memory retention problems. Scientists say that encouraging older adults to practice meditation for as little as 2 minutes per day can bring a significant difference in the way they fight and cope with their memory dysfunctions. Meditation reduces stress. Unexpected encounters with adversities often fail our natural coping mechanisms and make us vulnerable to burnout and hypertension. By developing the habit of regular meditation, it can help the body by optimizing blood pressure, regulating cardiac disease, mitigating stress, etc. We can successfully tame our mind to survive any storm. Another great benefit of meditation is that it increases attention span and is known to be one of the best ways to improve your focus. Meditation trains your brain to concentrate for longer periods of time. Meditating daily heightens attention and concentration span. Even people who meditated for short duration showed more focus than individuals who did not meditate at all. Another prominent advantage is it provides better prognosis for any kind of addiction. Whether or not meditation directly contributes to addiction control is still a hot topic of debate. But that it helps in bringing a positive mental attitude in addicts is undeniable and universally accepted. Overcoming substance abuse at any age requires a lot of self-control and discipline. Meditation helps in breaking this barrier. Believe it or not, it plays a significant role in controlling food cravings and binge eating. When we are in a low mood or feel negative, we often crave for unhealthy or comfort food that pleases the mind temporarily. But when we get into the habit of meditating every morning, it becomes easier to control our diet. Meditation promotes good sleep. It is a well-known fact that the higher the stress levels, the more sleep-deprived we are. Taking up meditation regularly distresses the mind, and that in turn makes us sleep peacefully. Meditating regularly will reward you with a glowing skin. Our skin is a great communicator of our feelings and mental state. It mirrors extreme emotions such as stress, anxiety, depression, excitement, and happiness, and has a unique way of responding to pressure. Meditation keeps our hormones well balanced, leading to stress-free or less stressed life, which in turn leads to beautiful and glowing skin. Remember, there's no right way or wrong way to meditate. What matters is that meditation helps you reduce your stress and feel better overall. It gives us permanent access to happiness, mental peace, and opens the real power of our mind. Start meditating today and keep yourself fit as a fiddle. If you found this interesting, please like, share, and subscribe.